Welcome back. Thank you, Father, for another wonderful and amazing day. Okay, so welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. All right, so this right here is pretty much some beads that I have decided that look, I even got fabric in here. But this is a bead bin where I toss my beads. A lot of the beads that are in here I used at one point in time for a project. So what I did was I took out the ones that I wanted to use today, and we're going to string something. I'm going to string all of these on, and I want to see how it comes out as far as a bracelet. Now, I have never ever did this before using this many beads. Okay, we're going to make a stretch. It's going to be stretch, so I'm going to be using some stretch magic. But before I do that, I need to wash these beads. Now, it's some wooden ones in here as well. I won't be washing those, but the rest of these that are acrylic and glass, I will be washing them because they were in here. All right, and it's a little dusty. So y'all stay tuned and we will get right on into this video. What I love about this is when I wash my beads, you see how clean they are? That's what I love about it. It's still wet. And now I'm getting ready to dry them off. I'm drying them off, and I notice that I think I have 2 bells in here. Yep, I'm gonna be adding them on there too. So this is the stash, and I'm gonna go ahead now and start putting them on the cord. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I have my beautiful stash right there, nice and clean. And I have my stretch magic cord, and I am stretching it because I'm going to go ahead and add these on. Now, I don't know how long this is actually going to be, okay? I don't know. I've never made this. This is something new that I am doing. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, so that the video won't be really long because I have so many beads, I'm going to try to count these as I am putting them on, just to let you all know how many I used. But I'm not going to put them in, they're not going to be arranged in the different sizes and shapes and all, none of that. I'm just going to start adding them on. So basically what I'm going to do, of course, as you see or saw, I washed them, I stretched my cord, and now I am adding them onto my string. And I really want to see how this looks, y'all. So this is the third one. Okay, let me show y'all so far what I have. And what I'm going to do to keep this process from being too long, because I have a lot of beads to put on, I'm going to go ahead and add them on, and then I'm going to come back with the next step. Okay, y'all, so getting down to the last wire, some of these beads probably won't make it on here, only because I'm running out of cord. I thought I had cut this long enough for me to be able to get everything on here, but because I'm working now, I'm working from both sides. So, and I have to apologize. I did not count these beads. I was supposed to count these beads. I did not. Sorry, y'all. I did not count the beads. Actually, I'm going to take this one off, and I'm going to add this one on. And then I'm going to add this one on. I'm adding this one on last only because it has, the holes is pretty big. And this is a large acrylic bead. And these were some beads, like I said, that I purchased a long Well, you know how we have stashes. We don't use them that often. No, I did. I am going to be able to get all of them on here. So, and then I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take both of my pieces and I am going to tie it, because this is what it looks like. Okay, all of that. And I think what I'm going to do before I tie it, I just want to make sure that all my beads and everything is nice and even on my cord. And which it is. And you see my bells? I didn't know that, look, I didn't even intend it for them to, but I got my bells on there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a knot and just tuck it down. Wait a minute. Tuck it down inside the other bead. Now this is really long. I had no idea it was going to be that long. So you can even wear this as a necklace if you choose to. It's completely up to you. And if you want to, you can take and put some glue on your knot and just tuck it right in like that. So that'll be right in there. Now, look at this. This is what it looks like. It's stretchy, it's beady, and you can wear this with anything because of all the different colors and stuff in it. So, but I wanna try it on as a bracelet. That's why I honestly really did this. But like I said, if you want to, you can wear it as a, and this is what it is, as a bracelet. Okay, and if you want to make it tighter, you can make it tighter if you choose to. See, you make it tighter. Just like that. You don't really want all that gap in between your beads, but there you have it. And that's tighter. And this is your bracelet. And like I said, if you don't want to wear it as a bracelet, you can wear it as a necklace, okay? So this is something different, something unique. You can wear it as a 2-layer necklace, okay? Meaning that you can double it up and put it right over your head and wear it as a 2-layer necklace, or you can wear it as a really long necklace. Okay, and or you can wear it as a bracelet. Okay, it's completely up to you on how you choose to wear it. All right, so there we have it. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for joining me for this video. Y'all have a wonderful and amazing day. And until my next upload, peace and blessings. Happy crafting. See ya.